airbox on the Mark 6 Fiesta or Figo as we have it here in SA. I actually have a K&N filter in my stock airbox, so what I'm going to do today is show you step by step how to actually take out the air filter, the K&N air filter, and actually wash it and re-oil it so I can use it again for another couple of thousand Ks until my next service. So, okay guys, so before I start, just the stuff that you'll need. I'm just using this ratchet with a 10mm socket on. I have a hex screw, D.I.Y hex, and I'm using the screws on the airbox. I have the K&N Recharge kit, and I have a temporary filter I'm going to use to drive around with while I wait for this stuff to dry. So, yeah, let's go. Okay guys, so first thing you want to do, come over to the engine bay. Damn, this thing is so dirty. So you want to take the 10mm socket and you want to loosen these two 10mm over here. I've already done that. Not going to bore you with that. Take them out. I usually find these two holes where I put them. Okay, and on to the next step. Okay guys, so after you remove those two 10mm, what you want to do, I don't know if every car is like this, but mine's quite loose, so I'll take off the main intake pipe, take out the breather from the head, and then I just usually grip it on one side and pull up, and up she goes. So yeah, as you guys can see, this is the aftermath of my Welsh plugs that were leaking. I still need to actually clean this tappet cover, but that's not today's issue. Let's get on with taking out the air filter. So what you want to do is turn it around. You'll see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 hex screws that you want to take out with that T25 hex head. So yeah, let's get cracking. Okay guys, so you want to take the T25 hex head and yeah, start loosening up all these screws that keep the airbox closed. Anything about this is it's very tedious and it takes forever to take out all of these screws, so I am not going to bore you guys with this, so I'll show you guys as soon as I've opened it. Okay guys, so took out the filter and this thing is absolutely filthy. I don't know if you guys can see that properly, but just look at that. So filthy. No wonder my car is struggling. Damn. Okay, so let's get to cleaning this. So firstly, once your K&N box is open, you're going to take your K&N Power Clean bottle and start spraying it on the filter. Guys, ladies, gents, whoever's watching, you want to get yourself over to a tap with a spray and nozzle, hopefully a quite strong one, and then yeah, spray it clean. Get out as much water as possible, and then you just need to let it dry for a couple of hours, and then it will be good for us to go to the next step. So yeah, let's let it dry. but for now, yeah, I have to get ready. Got a busy day ahead, got some shit to do, some people to smash, play some rugby. So yeah, I'll rejoin with the second part of the video probably tomorrow morning, and finish up what I started. So yeah, see you guys later. Okay guys, so the next step is you want to take your air filter oil, take your filter, and then start spraying it actually evenly, and yeah, then you're going to let it soak for a while and then we'll put it back in. After you've sprayed it, give it a nice fair coat on each side, and then you're just going to lay it down for a while so it can draw into all of the cotton fibers. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to stretch it open a bit and just try to get into the panel side as well. Now let it dry. Okay guys, so once you sprayed the oil onto the filter again and let it seep in for a little while, you'll see there's a nice red coverage all over the filter. So yeah, then you're ready to put it back in, so let's do that. Good as you can on the inside of the air filter box. Okay, drop it in. What's up guys, yeah, so I'm actually going to go play some golf today. This is going to be the second part of the vlog. I know the vlog has already been 2 days, a 2-day episode, but yeah, I'm going to play some golf today. Yeah, just get some clips of me and the boys playing some golf. If you guys like it, comment down below. Yeah, let me know what you think. I don't know how my game is going to be. I got a lummy on my arm, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. Boys, here's the man, the main man, the Van Blerk. Ja. Ik heb een video om te zien, klaar. Nee, ek maak net 'n video met sê met jou.
Wat sê jy is laat?
Nee, sekerlik by fucking bicep bro.
Van wat, ou?
Tackle.